for us, lighting goes beyond illumination. Through leaps in technologies, we can connect devices, places, cities, and more importantly, people through light.
We explore all the possibilities of lighting. We open our platform's data and API to third parties to co-create interesting customer propositions. We can efficiently turn light sources into data networks, leading to smarter, sustainable cities and businesses.
Our portfolio of tailor-made software applications combines connected lighting system and the data that those systems collect with your intelligent building, smart city, and other Internet of Things solutions.
As a world leader in lighting, we manage the lighting of iconic landmarks, cities, and many facilities across the globe. Remotely, with our smart technology, we are constantly pushing the envelope to bring sustainable solutions to everyday life and improve efficiency for our customers.
We design, develop, deploy, and maintain cutting-edge enterprise platforms for Signify. Along with existing technologies like SAP and PLM, our digital organization also works on innovative cloud-based technologies. We enable our customers' digital journey by providing the right platforms like websites, e-commerce sites, and digital marketing tools.
At the Signify Innovation Labs here in Bangalore, you are exposed to numerous opportunities, allowing you to embark on various projects, be it local or international. Signify has an innovative environment that fosters a culture of continuous learning. I am supported with learning, coaching, and growth opportunities. The work that we do here revolves around sustainability, which at the end of the day is about providing the right light at the right time, the right place.
Our efforts in technological discoveries make life simpler, safer, smarter, and sustainable. I am proud to be part of a company that has achieved 100% carbon neutrality in India. We are responsive and innovative. We take charge and dare to do the unimaginable to beat client expectations.
Together, we foster an environment where we value your ideas. We empower you to discover the science of smart lighting from a whole new perspective.
If you're passionate about technology and want to unlock the extraordinary potential of light for brighter lives and a better world, it's time you came on board.